Get noticed in this 2011 Buick Regal. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an alarm system, power steering. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.